Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. Just wanted to show you the newest trade on our lot. It's a 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT, so let's take a peek. Under the hood, you're going to have your 6.4 liter Hemi engine. Automatic LED headlights on this one, of course some fog lights as well, and then park sensors in the front. Down the side here, you are going to have 20-inch rims. And then keyless entry on either side of the Jeep, so you just have to have your key close enough, it'll unlock. And then we'll go all the way back here. Dual exhaust on this Jeep with the hidden hitch right here. Park sensors in the rear as well. And then of course you do have a backup camera. Power lift gate on this one with a whole bunch of storage in the back here. Then underneath here, you are going to have a full-size spare tire. You have this little cover here, which is nice. If you're in the city, you don't want people looking in and seeing what you have in the trunk here. Extra storage on either side. And then, of course, you have this button that will close it as well, and it won't close on you. Foster's here. Inside the Jeep, it is going to be fully loaded. This Jeep only has 15,000 kilometers as well. You do have these really nice husky floor mats. And then of course here you are going to have the heated and cooled seats in this Jeep. Really nice center console. You got some cup holders here. All sorts of storage throughout the Jeep here. Right here you're also going to have some plug-ins, a 12 volt. You are going to have lane departure, park assist, all that good stuff as well. Dual climate control that you can access right here or on the screen, kind of whichever one you prefer. So you can just use this little part right here or the buttons. And then you also have all the controls for your seats. So the heated and cooled right here, and then heated steering wheel. Backup camera as well. You're going to have Sirius Xm on this Jeep, so you can pick 12 of your favorites right up top just by pressing and holding. Navigation on the Jeep as well. Whenever you put an address in, it's going to save it no matter what, and then you don't have to continue adding it all the time. Glove box right here, and this one does lock if you want it to. You're going to have a panoramic sunroof in this Jeep, and you got all the buttons for that right there, as well as the shade if you don't want it to be open. Sunglasses holder. And then you are able to set up your Sirius Guardian on this if you want. This Jeep also has the Harman Kardon sound system on it, which is really nice. Of course, forward collision warning, adaptive cruise, all that good stuff. Cruise control, Bluetooth, that's fairly standard in all vehicles now. You do have all your different drive modes right here, like sport, snow, of course launch mode. You can just turn the dial there to use that. But other than that, we're gonna hop in the back seat and check that out. In the back seat, you're gonna have a whole bunch of room for your passengers. These back seats are actually heated, so you're gonna have the buttons for that right there. Then right between those buttons, you're gonna have some plug-ins, 115 volt there, of course rear vents for the passengers there. Storage in behind the seat, and again, the husky liners in the rear as well. Right here, you're gonna have cup holders, and then these seats do fold flat if you want them to. So you're going to have a whole bunch of room all throughout the Jeep here just for loading stuff in and out. And then of course you have the anchors for the car seats as well. And then fun little touch on the SRTs is you do have the suede headliner, which I find kind of nice. And then some interior lighting and of course some hooks as well. But other than that, if you want to make this Jeep yours, you can give us a call at 780-942-3629.